5 takes share, begin your turn and contact departure for 12875. 25 takes share, begin your turn and contact departure for 12875.
For over half a century now, Honeywell has been at the forefront of aerospace technology and engineering, from business jets and general aviation planes to commercial airliners and even fighter jets and copters. Our products have kept pilots and passengers safer and more comfortable. Honeywell Technology Solutions has significantly contributed to the development of avionics solutions that make flying safer and more comfortable.
That our avionics are designed with the pilot in mind. We are constantly trying to reduce their workload. What better way than to have private pilots among our teams?
Engineers need to understand every nuance of flying perfectly and actually put themselves in the cockpit, not just for a pilot's perspective of flying, but also to understand the machine for which they designed the brainware. Private Pilot License Training Program is designed to do precisely that, to train our engineers to think and act like pilots in flying conditions that are real.
What we do in the aerospace business is to work with the flight crews, together with maintenance and other people that operate airplanes. And to the extent we understand what that customer set does and what they need is critical to not only how we design our products, but how our products actually work in that environment. So having that knowledge of flying an airplane, understanding how our airplane works, that's a big deal to us in all of the things that we do in aerospace.
Thinking and acting like pilots helps our engineers focus on some of the cutting-edge concepts such as human factors-based designs for better and intuitive displays and systems, and empowers them with critical fundamental knowledge such as system engineering.
Are the human factors attributes of how we have our products designed actually in tune with what they need, especially when you see the knowledge they now have as a pilot and the interactions of the procedures in the flight deck together with what happens on the ground and the rest of the airplane.
Having that pilot's perspective early in the design process and throughout the design process, it just discriminates our products from the competition by bringing more value to the customer.
Having our employees be able to speak the language of the ultimate users of our products allows them to determine product requirements a lot more easily, and then embed them in products that will actually meet the needs and the challenges that the ultimate customer has.
Being a well-thought-out training program aimed at creating a marked differentiation both for customers and employees, PPL is the first one of its kind in India and involves various stages of training on the ground and in the air.
In the emerging regions, we actually have very few engineers that are private pilots. This initiative is changing that.
Our engineers who were deserving and lucky enough to be nominated to PPL are absolutely thrilled and much appreciate the new perspective that PPL has brought into their understanding of customer needs.
I always had the passion for flying. I wanted to get real feel of how the systems that we develop are used by the pilots. PPL program has helped me to progress my career path from a software role to the lead system engineer role that I'm currently playing. I understand the customer issues better and I'm able to resolve them quickly.
Being in the pilot seat triggered many ideas in our minds. We are constantly trying to think of new ideas, to innovate and to come out with newer systems that are not only better but also intuitive and easier to use by the pilots.
Motivating top-performing engineers follow their passion for flying and giving wings to their dreams, touching customers and differentiating in our offerings to them. PPL goes beyond these two primary objectives and helps in globalization as well.
We are continually trying to expand our development capability across our entire global network. Having employees at HTS that have a pilot's license and have the understanding of what it means to fly and what it means to be able to provide solutions to pilots really enables them to work more deeply at the systems level of the development process. And it really enables our global strategic framework visions and strategies of having total program or product development at a given location at HTS.
From creating an Aero mindset in employees to powerful impact for Honeywell Aero and the customer, PPL has it all.